A clouded heart can make even the smartest woman lose her way. You see, when emotions take the driver's seat, logic often gets thrown out the window. It's not that she's not intelligent. She might be brilliant. But when the heart is clouded, wisdom gets drowned by feelings. One sign? She starts making big, life-changing decisions based only on how she feels in the moment. Not on facts, not on reality. Another? She keeps choosing people who drain her energy, yet calls it love. And maybe the clearest sign, she will defend someone who would never defend her, even when the truth is right in front of her. It's not weakness, it's the power of emotion. But here's the truth. Clarity doesn't come by accident. It's built by stepping back, breathing, and asking. If I were advising my best friend, what would I say? When she does that, she begins to see, not through the blur of love, but through the lens of self-respect. And in that moment, she finds her way again.